Action.
I got him. He's on. Caught in the ice a bit. Oh, here he comes. Whoa!
Yo.
Easy, big boy. 5 of diamonds. Woohoo! DuPont fever. I'm gonna try and bring him up over there. Back down a bit. Go easy on that 80-pound leader. He's down there deep again. He's not happy. Whoop!
Oh, hook came off.
Right there. Those singles barbless hooks. Hey, DuPont, my friend. I put my glove on. I can't pick him up.
Want me to take a still picture?
Okay.
Or do you stop it?
Just press the red one. And then after, just press that big one.